Good evening. With just a week left in the legislative session, New Mexico doctors are making their voices heard. Dozens showing up today at the Roundhouse, calling on lawmakers to pass a bill they say would save their practices. This after the bill got stalled in committee. News 13's Gabe Chavez reports.
We're here to represent our patients and healthcare in general, and this is so important that we're not going to go away for the rest of the week.
On Saturday, anywhere you looked in the Roundhouse, a white coat could be seen. Nearly 75 doctors showed up to support a bill they say would keep doctors in the state. A law taking effect January 1st, 2024 puts some independently owned outpatient facilities into the same category as big hospitals. Physicians of the independent facilities say it will make it nearly impossible for them to get medical malpractice insurance, leaving them underinsured and at risk to costly lawsuits. But they say ultimately, if they're forced to close, high-risk, low-income patients suffer the consequences.
Citizens in our state have trouble making appointments and getting the kinds of treatments they need. And unfortunately, many of the wealthier members of our community take a decision to go out of state. But many people who live here don't have that option.
Senate Bill 296 would fix the misclassification, separating independently owned facilities from big hospitals. But with the bill getting stalled in committee and just 1 week left in this legislative session, medical professionals are worried the bill won't be passed in time. Doctors sounded the alarm today at the Roundhouse, calling on lawmakers to pass the bill.
This is critical, and it's obviously crunch time, the last week of the legislature, and we need them to know that we need to resurrect Senate Bill 296. That one is an absolute must to keep medicine on its feet.
The bill would also cap medical malpractice payouts for independent facilities to $750,000 versus the nearly $5 million they could pay if still categorized as a big hospital. Doctors warn if Senate Bill 296 is not passed, those who can't get insurance will be forced to close or leave the state, leaving New Mexicans with less access to health care.
We deserve doctors. My family deserves doctors, and that's what we really are trying to bring to New Mexico, is get our doctors here and keep them in New Mexico.
Gabe Chavez, KRQE, News 13.
We reached out to a number of lawmakers for comment on the doctors showing up today, but have not heard back.